for us.
So hindi siya talaga
Yan naman ang
Hindi achievement. And I think,
Hindi nga.
di ba, Trixie, yun nga yung sinasabi natin na this SONA, this latest SONA, is not really about achievements, but more of yung ano yung dapat ginagawa. And yun yung in-espouse.
Pero parang lumalabas na tinatawag niyang achievement, yung ginagawa naman dapat.
The supposedly, the work of government.
If I may say, there's no such thing as an achievement.
In government. Lahat
Dito
yan.
sa governance, because governance, malawak yan. Peace and order, sanitation, health. All you can see is that we have done this thing and meron kaming produkto na dito. There is no achievement because it is a dynamic thing that does not end.
It's an endless cycle.
Pagka sinabi mo na-achieve mo, there's more tomorrow to achieve. So,
There's more work to be done.
ang life kasi ng buhay ng tao sa mundo keeps on repeating itself, including the problems. You have a day to live, and a day to clean up, and a day to be, keep healthy, and a day to, deal with the problems of pollution, and a day. It is a repeating thing, which you cannot use the word we have achieved. You can only do that when you die and you look back and say to yourself, I have achieved this thing. Or other people would say that during his lifetime, he has achieved this one. So hindi po ito sabihin niyang achieve sa gobyerno. Kasi araw-araw yan, you have to achieve. So ilang achievements yan?